Titano is the best auto staking and auto compounding protocol in crypto with an APY of around 102,000%. So with this side, and let's get started with our Titano review. So APY of this project is around 102,000, which is pretty amazing because it has maintained the APY for past few months. And the rebates or the rewards, you will get the rewards every 30 minutes, that is 48 times a day, which will effect in great compounding. So let's get into its cons or why this project is a high risk project. Firstly, it has not been audited. The certic is doing his audit and it's been 85% done since past few days. The progress is not moving fast. I think we need to wait 1 to 2 months for the audit to get over. Also, the buy and sell fees that are mentioned in the white paper are pretty high. You can't trade it regularly. You need to hold it for the long term. There is 13% buy fee and 18% sell fee. Like you need 31% profit to break even, which is not really good. Still, the tokens get compounded really fast due to this APY and the rebase every 30 minutes. So when is the right time to get into this project? So this all-time high for this project was 21 cents, which did hit few days back. So I would say this is the right time to get into this project, since once the audit is over, this project is gonna skyrocket. Also, they are launching one new game, so once it's live, the price is gonna skyrocket, hopefully. Unlike other DAOs, Time Wonderland and Olympus DAO recently crashed about 20 to 30% in past week and around 90% from its all-time high. So let's hope it doesn't go in that way. So it's it's high risk, high reward game. But if you, I would suggest get into this with at least 5 to 10% of your portfolio. Lastly, we'll discuss how to buy this project. So the project is based on Binance Smart Chain. So to buy it, you need to send your fund to MetaMask. You need to send your BNB or whatever stable coin or whatever you are using to MetaMask by Binance or any other KuCoin or any other app which you are using. So once you have the fund in Binance, you need to go to PancakeSwap. You need to connect the wallet. If you don't know how to use MetaMask, I already have a tutorial on my channel, so watch it over. You need to convert BNB to Time token. Titano token. Okay, so let's get from here. Yeah, so you need to add this custom token and adjust the slippage to around 15%. If it doesn't work, go for 20 or 25%. The slippage for this project is really high since the project is pretty small right now. So that's how you can buy it, and you don't need to stake it since it's auto staking protocol. Just buy the token and it will stake by itself. That's the best part. So yeah, I have around 300 tokens currently, 400 tokens to be precise. Yeah, as you can see, it compounds really fast. In just 7 days it will grow to 472 tokens, and in a month it will almost get 90%, or I would say at least almost double. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you like it, and comment below if you have any doubts or any suggestions for upcoming video. Thank you for watching.